Do you ever feel like your brain is getting a little rusty? Do you struggle to remember things you just studied, or it takes hours to recall the name of someone you know well? Many people think losing memory is just a normal part of getting older, but modern neuroscience has proven that our brains are actually like plastic. We can mold and shape them however we want. Today, we are going to talk about 10 scientifically proven secrets to naturally increase your brain's speed and memory by 10 times without any medication. Number 1. Neurobics. We go to the gym to build our bodies, but we rarely exercise our brains. If you are normally a right-handed person, starting tomorrow, try doing small daily tasks like brushing your teeth or combing your hair with your left hand. When you do something unfamiliar like this, your brain is forced to create brand new neural pathways. This amazingly increases the connection between the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Number 2. The power of a glass of water. 75% of our brain is made up of water. If your body's hydration level drops by just 2%, your focus and decision-making abilities take a massive hit. The main reason for constant headaches and brain fog is simply dehydration, so don't forget to drink a glass of water before you sit down to do any important work. Number 3. Brain fertilizer, also known as BDNF. When you exercise, a special protein called BDNF is produced inside your brain. Scientists literally call this Miracle-Gro for the brain. Just 20 minutes of brisk walking or running a day can help give birth to new cells in the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory. Number 4. Hunger and superfuel. When you eat foods highly processed with flour and sugar, the oxygen level going to your brain decreases, making you feel lazy and sluggish. This is exactly why the world's top tech professionals use intermittent fasting or fasting for 16 hours. When you feel hungry, your body produces ketones, which act as a high-performance superfuel for your brain. Number 5. Brain-cleaning sleep. When we sleep, our brain does not sleep. During that time, the brain's glymphatic system activates and washes away all the toxic waste products that accumulated during the day. If you don't get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep, this cleaning process gets disrupted and your memory weakens. Number 6. Facing new challenges. If you want to be like Einstein, doing the exact same thing every day isn't enough. Taking on new challenges, like learning a new language or playing a musical instrument, creates fresh neural connections in the brain. This is the ultimate secret to keeping your brain young, no matter your age. Number 7. Laser focus through meditation. Meditation is much more than a religious practice. It is a powerful mental workout. Harvard research shows that just sitting and focusing on your breath for 10 minutes a day actually increases the thickness of your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that controls focus and memory. Number 8. Sunlight and the brain's clock. As soon as you wake up, instead of looking at your phone, go step into the sunlight for 10 minutes. This helps your brain produce the hormone serotonin, giving you energy and a good mood throughout the day. It also sets your internal clock, helping you produce the melatonin you need to fall asleep easily at night. Number 9. Visualization. Even Nikola Tesla used to run his machines perfectly in his mind before ever building them in real life. When you vividly imagine yourself doing something, like a movie in your head, you strengthen the exact same neural circuits as if you were actually doing it. Your brain actually has a hard time telling the difference between a real action and a deeply visualized water. Number 10. Digital detox and dopamine control. Today, the number one reason our focus is destroyed is the massive dopamine overstimulation we get from social media. Try to stay away from your phone for at least 1 hour a day. Allow yourself to feel bored, because that is exactly when your most creative ideas will start to flow. It might be difficult to do all 10 of these things at once, so pick just one habit from this list and start today. If you learned something new for your brain from this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more valuable videos like this. Wishing you success!